Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Mr. and Mrs. Jury, we are from Al-Azhar 16 Islamic Middle School Cikarang. I am Rebumi Madani Pramono and my friend
Akbar Ramadhani Maulana Hakim. We will present our scientific research entitled Aloe Vera as a natural antioxidant in recycling used cooking oil. Cooking oil is one of the consumable stuffs that people require on a daily basis, both in industry and household.
The current price increase in cooking oil from the beginning of 2022 to the present has caused society and industry to conserve oil by using the same oil repeatedly, ignoring health issues.
According to Karen in 2008, cooking oil that is used repeatedly in the frying process might degrade its quality and alter its physiochemical qualities. These modifications cause the oil to become dark, thick, and stinky. Aside from lowering the quality of fried dishes, the degradation reaction products of frying oil might be harmful to human health. As a result, it is vital to recycle cooking oil using natural substances, such as aloe vera.
The material we use on this research are newly bought cooking oil, used cooking oil, and aloe vera plant. And the equipment that we use are glass beaker, digital scale, and as shown in the presentation.
Prepare the aloe vera by peeling the skin and cutting it into small pieces. Weigh the aloe vera in increments of 25 grams and 50 grams. Fill the first beaker with newly purchased cooking oil and the second to fourth beakers with 100 grams of used cooking oil. The first beaker, glass A, was used to manage new cooking oil, while the second beaker, glass B, was used to regulate old cooking oil, and the third glass, C, retrieved 25 grams of aloe vera, while the fourth beaker, glass D, received up to 50 grams of aloe vera. These samples were allowed to sit for 4 days.
After 4 days, the sample containing aloe vera pieces was filtered using a screen to separate the aloe vera from the oil before being evaluated. The clarity test was performed on the cooking oil sample using the LuxMeter app on smartphone, and the peroxide value test was performed using Wicam Proxida kits. The organoleptic test result showed that the cooking oils treated with aloe vera in sample C and D have no smell and clearer color than the cooking oils that have not been treated with aloe vera.
According to Destry in 2017, changes in the color of the oil are caused by the repetitive frying processes, which involves heating in high temperatures, so some of the oil oxidizes. When heated, hydrolyzed cooking oil degrades into glycerol and free fatty acids. Acrylate compounds will be produced by glycerol. Acrylane is a volatile aldehyde molecule that has a rotten odor.
Peroxide test result. According to Fitriani and Nurul in 2018, peroxide value is one of the parameters determining the level of change or damage to cooking oil to oxidation reaction in the heating process. Reduce the concentration of hydrogenic peroxide in the oil, so aloe vera functions as an antioxidant which lowers the peroxide value.
According to Dewi Firda in 2019, fresh aloe vera contains enzymes including catalase, which functions to break down hydrogen peroxides into harmless substances, namely hydrogen and water, so that it's useful for reducing peroxide levels in used cooking oil. The results of this test are used as a comparison for clarity of the oil samples being tested. The higher the light intensity, the clearer the cooking oil. The clearer the cooking oil, the better it is. So the sample of used cooking oil that have been treated with aloe vera will have a higher level of clarity than used cooking oil without aloe vera.
Thanks for your time. We hope our research to beneficial to others. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.